Hello again. This video is for the Pick Me a Lock giveaway, which the lock pickings girl has put on. I'll put the link to her channel and I'll put the link to the video she's done asking you to pick a lock. She's giving some lovely prizes out. There's no rules, basically, you've just got to pick a lock. So I'm going to go with this big old chunky Era, made in England, insurance padlock. I've picked these Eras before. In fact, I picked this one the other day. This is the one Peter Lewis sent me. But I've only recently got my hands on this one, so I have picked it. It shouldn't be too much of a problem. So I'll just show you it working and show you the key. That's the key for it. That's it open. That's it locked. Right, to pick it, I'm going to use my homemade tools, or I always use, to be honest. Homemade tension tool out of a nail. And you might have seen the video of this one. This was a foot off a washing machine, and I've just put my pick wire in it. So let's have a go at picking it. I don't know if this is going to be harder than the other reader because it's got insurance wrote on it, so it might be a bit more tricky. I know not many of you do leave a lock picking, but it's something you really want to get into and brilliant to pick. I prefer them, to be honest, than picking pin tumblers. You've just got to keep touching them levers up. That's all it's about. And you can feel your movements bit by bit as you're doing it. There you go. And we've got an open. So yeah, that's the insurance Era picked for Lock Pickings Gal, and I'll put the link underneath to her channel and a video asking you to pick a lock. So that's it for now. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Try it a bit.